Lyra loved learning English. She knew many words and grammar rules. But speaking, that was a bit scary. Every day she practiced in her room. "Hello, how are you?" she'd whisper. "I am fine, thank you." Her cat, Mittens, was her only audience. One sunny afternoon, Lyra went to the park. She saw an old man trying to read a map. He looked a little lost. The man sighed and mumbled, "Excuse me, do you speak English?" Lyra's heart thumped. This was her chance. She took a deep breath. "Yes, I do," she said, her voice a little shaky. "Can I help you?" The man smiled kindly. "Oh, thank you. I'm Silas. I'm looking for the old clock tower." Lyra pointed. "It's just past the big oak tree, then turn left. You can't miss it." She felt a little proud. Silas thanked her many times. "Your English is wonderful," he said. Lyra blushed, a big smile on her face. Walking home, Lyra felt lighter. Speaking English wasn't so scary after all. It was exciting. From that day on, Lyra spoke English whenever she could. Each new conversation was a step towards a bigger, brighter world.